the home of the country's biggest city, Sydney. From there, here's our correspondent Phil Mercer.
Well, we've seen thousands of demonstrators confront the police in the heart of Australia's second biggest city, Melbourne. The riot squad were called in to back up.
We apologize for the sudden interruption of programming. We are here to inform you of a currently ongoing emergency. Explosive device has been detonated inside of the Houses of Parliament. If you are near the building, you should evacuate immediately as fire is building up across the surrounding areas. The explosion, gunfire was exchanged between around 10 armed men and security guards. Because of these incidents, we can only assume that this is an ongoing, coordinated terrorist attack on the innocent people of London. Police units are making their way to where the shooting is currently happening. So do not panic, the situation will be resolved eventually. However, you still must be cautious, you do not know if danger can be coming your way. Whether you are in danger or not, you should still be attempting to evacuate as soon as you can. This is due to the impending possibility of the terrorists retreating, possibly in your direction. We can now confirm the situation regarding the terrorists. Around 5 of them have been shot and killed by police units, and the rest are making their way from the Houses of Parliament to Westminster Bridge. We also have reports of gunfire around Western Street. Witnesses state they saw a Hispanic man in his 30s, firing shots from a rifle. Police are making their way towards both shootings.
You're in disrupted TV lines from the TYC building in London. For now, we're using a portable television transmission system. If you see any activity around you worth reporting now, please call 999.